Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the great name of Almighty Allah, who is the most Rahman and Rahim. All my dear students, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. As you know that in our previous class, we talked about chapter 2 of novel Oliver Twist, written by Charles Dickens, one of the renowned novelists, A Job for Oliver. And today we are going to talk about and solve the exercise of chapter 3, that's all about the Oliver who is walking towards the London. Now we have to fill these gaps with the words from the box. हमें यहाँ पे जो words दिए गए हैं boxes, यहाँ पे जो empty boxes हैं वहाँ पे हमें fill करने हैं. तो these words are written in random तरीके से ये लिखे गए हैं, but you have to put these words into sequence form and with the correct sense के मुताबिक हमें ये word put out करने हैं. तो यहाँ पे जो पहला सेंटेंस हमारे पास आ रहा है, everyone was so unkind. अब पहला जो हमारा इसमें होगा वो क्या होगा, अनकाइंड होगा. केप जो हमारा पहला हमें फिल करना होगा उसमें क्या हम ऐड करेंगे, अनकाइंड. Everyone was so unkind to Oliver that he decided to run away to London. उसके बाद सेकंड, in London Oliver met Fagin. He was really very bad. He taught the boys how to steal things. मतलब चीज़ों को, he taught the boys, उन्होंने बॉयज़ को सिखाया कि कैसे मतलब चीज़ों को चोरी किया जाए. स्टील मतलब चुराना, ठीक है. उसके बाद थर्ड जो हमारा सेंटेंस आ रहा है, one day the artful dogger and the Charlie Beats stole a handkerchief from an old gentleman. Now in third gap we have to put the word gentleman, and the fourth one is the policeman took him to a judge. The old gentleman saw that Oliver was. Now we have to fill the five gap. जो फिफ्थ हमारा गैप है उसमें हमारा क्या पड़ेगा, in. The gentleman saw that Oliver was in and took him home with him. मतलब ये अब इसको जो Oliver को अपने साथ वहाँ पे घर लेकर के आया है, ठीक है. तो these are the spaces, these are the gaps, and you have to fill these gaps with the proper words. ये आपको proper words से fill करने हैं, ठीक है बेटा. बुक पेज नंबर क्या है आपका, बुक पेज नंबर है 71, Oliver Twist novel written by Charles Dickens. अल्लाह हाफिज़.